Daylight Time. At 9:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kimberling City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Branson, Table Rock Lake, Table Rock State Park, Dollar City, Kimberling City, Indian Point, Branson West, Coney Island, Lamp. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Stone, Missouri,